Hello students, this is section formula which can help for the next exercise. Now here we have a point A x1 y1 and there is a point B x2 y2. Here we have 2 points. Now we have to cut, separate, section, mean separate into two parts. That is called bisection. Bisection means cut equally into two parts. Cut equally into two parts. Section, the word mean separate one unit into two parts. Therefore, here we have a point called A and point called B. Now, we are going to separate the path or the distance into two or more parts. Clear? Maybe if it is a 10 centimeters, this may be 3 centimeters, this may be 7 centimeters, or 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Likewise, we are going to separate the parts with a point. There should be a point. So where we are going to separate? Here P, here Q. How many points are there in between 2 points? N number. Okay. So many points are there. So we can have a point. This point separates AB into two parts. Therefore, here we have a point x1 comma y1. Here we have another point x2 comma y2. Here there is another point of separation x comma y. So almost 3 points we have. Now this formula explains the path of ratio. In which ratio this point separates A and B. This point sections A and B. We have sections, 9th class, section A, section B. We called it as a section. Section means class is 9th but section is A. Class is 9th but the section is B. Section means a small part from a whole. Okay. Now let us know about this formula. Here we have a point and here we have a point A and B. They are the main. Now x1 y1 x2 y2 are the coordinates. Here there is a point on the line joining called x comma y. This point separates the line joining into two parts in the ratio m1 is to m2. Ratio means a part, a common ratio will be there, common part will be there. I will explain. So m1 ratio, m2 ratio. So the formula is P x comma y. This point we should know. This is the question. We should know this point is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 m2 comma. This is x coordinate axis का and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 m2. This is ordinate y part. So this is the formula for a point which divide, separate the line joining of two points in m1 is to m2 ratio. Therefore, so ratio we will see. For an example, A is a point, B is a point. So P is a point of section where it can, for an example, the distance between AB is at 10 centimeters. Distance between AB is equal to 10 centimeters. So this point separates AB into two parts. AP is a one part, PB is another part. Now I can give you the ratio is 1, the ratio is 4. Now I am asking how many centimeters AP is, how many centimeters PB is. The total is 10. So 10 centimeters are there, splits into one ratio 4 units, 1 unit 4 units. Total it must be 10 centimeters. So how can we calculate? So we can calculate the total number of ratios are 5. So we are going to divide 10 by 5 is 2. That means one ratio is 2 centimeters and 4 ratios are 4 times 2, that is 8 centimeters. Totally 10 centimeters. Ratio will not have centimeters, but we will say just a number 1 is to 4, 3 is to 4, like that we will say number. But what is exact measurement? That is 2 centimeter. PB is equal to 4 centimeters. So likewise we can have 3 parts m1. So here 1 is equal to m1. You can write down this is also m2, this could be also m1, whatever it may be, from A to B or B to A. The direction must be important. So we have a practice, we can do it. Now here A is a point, B is a point, here P is another point of a section, splits AP is 3 parts, PB is 2 parts. So that is called ratio, 2 parts. But I did not give you any measurements. So basically you have to pay attention in this section formula. Now let us have a simple discussion. Now here a line with 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Now 2 parts is different. This is 2 parts. 2 parts is different. 2 equal parts are different. 2 parts are different, 2 equal parts are different. 2 parts means this is 2 parts. Now I cancel. I want 2 equal parts. That means this could be 5 centimeters, this could be 5 centimeters. This is called the point bisecting point. Bisection means section, but the 2 points are equal. Now there is another one. Here this is 15 centimeter length. Here we have A, here we have B, and here we have one point, here we have another point, but we got almost could not see properly, almost 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. This is called, these 2 points are called trisecting points. Trisecting points. That means 2 points will be there. Here bisection, 1 point. Here trisection, 3 points will be there. We will find out, we have a question in the exercises. So basically you have to concentrate on this ratio, how a point divides the given line into two parts in the ratio, and how to write. Please note it down and practice. We will start next exercise. Thank you.